Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Nederveld, CEO of Rainstar Capital Group, and I'm excited today for you to be watching this presentation because we're talking today about something very important that we've developed here at Rainstar Capital Group, and that's our working capital blueprint. You can find this blueprint on our website on the capital markets section of the site. And we here at Rainstar Capital Group have developed these blueprints because very simply they help our team of managing directors work with you as the business owner or the commercial real estate investor to identify how it is that we can match you to the products that we have. So if you haven't heard about our firm, we've built one of the leading lending platforms out there. We've got 250 registered lenders on our lending platform, and our lenders, they're all hedge funds, banks, private equity firms, specialty finance firms. We have a lot of fintech lenders. What they provide for you is capital for commercial real estate, corporate finance, small business, and equipment financing. In a nutshell, what this platform does is it finances clients from 10,000 to 100 million, and we pretty much have every credit box and every interest rate box covered for every first and second lien debt product out there on the market today in the capital markets. So today what we're going to talk about is this working capital blueprint, right? And what the working capital blueprint does is it provides you a visual for your business to help you identify where it is that you can get leverage, okay? So I want you to start and kind of think about and look at where clients go to get capital first, okay? They always go to their bank, right? They always go to the bank that they have a depository relationship with. So the cheapest and best cost of capital always comes from the top left box, which is products that a bank are going to provide. So it's your SBA loans, it's your term loans, it's your senior credit facilities, your revolving lines of credit. All of those products typically come in the 4 to 7 or 8% range, okay? The problem sometimes though is a bank is super strict, right? They are very strict when it comes to their underwriting processes. And so if you don't have 2 years, if you don't have the requisite revenue, if you don't have the right credit scores, you might not qualify for bank debt, okay? In the event that we can't help you get bank debt, what that means is we then have to pivot to the next boxes, which we have built extensive relationships with non-bank lenders that are also called fintech lenders. And the fintech lenders primarily provide lines of credit and term loan products that either can do one of two things. One, they can replace your existing bank debt, or second, they can go in a second lien position behind your bank debt, okay? And that's a very powerful concept because if you have a company that's going like this, the hockey stick, you're experiencing tremendous growth and you're hitting a ceiling with your bank, that means that you can't access that working capital that you need to grow, okay? And that's where these fintech products are very powerful, okay? They can really help you to alleviate, what we call the bridges and cash flow, right? So think about all the products. If you don't get a bank product, is like what we call bridge to bankable, okay? You use these products almost as like tools, right? And they're tools that help you grow your business and get it from point A to point B. Maybe you're a $2 million company, you want to grow to a $5 million company, right? But let's say you're a commercial real estate investor and you have one multifamily apartment complex that's at 150 units, you want to grow to 1,000 units, right? All these products are bridges, okay? They help you get from point A to point B, and they help you get to where you want to get to. So continuing on then, after we look at the products on the far left side, those products just lean up against the cash flow, okay? From there, we do an analysis with the client on what their real estate situation looks like, okay? On our platform, we can help with all your purchase money, all your refinance money. We're very big into cash out refinances. We also do a lot of new construction financing, which is very popular as well. So essentially the real estate bucket, we go and we look to see how it is that we can help you, on that front. So after we're done with the real estate bucket, we'll do a full analysis to see if your business needs equipment or not. If you have existing equipment, we've got a lot of really great sales leaseback solutions. Where basically you can get like cash out from your equipment that you can then use for other purposes. After the equipment bucket, we'll then take a look at any of your outstanding accounts receivables. We also have purchase order funding. Also, we have really great solutions for inventory financing. We've got some really innovative credit line products that will lean against your existing inventory, okay? And so accounts receivable financing is essentially what we call scale capital, right? It helps you to basically bridge those gaps in cash flow quicker. And so by getting capital, not having to wait 30, 60, 90 days, Typically, we see clients getting that so that they can pay their labor, they can purchase more materials for their job, they can build more widgets or whatever product they're looking to sell, or they can also get that capital for other growth needs, marketing, operations, those different types of things. So after we're done looking at the outstanding accounts receivables, we also have a very popular business and personal credit card program, which works well for certain clients. Again, you get 30 days, right, before you have to make a payment on those cards. They normally come in at 0% interest. So listen, you need to spend time on our site. You need to come watch a lot of our different educational webinars and videos. What we've done at Rainstar for you as the business owner, as you as the real estate investor, is very simply one thing. We save you time, okay? If you can't access capital from a bank, it's going to be horribly time consuming to be able to go out and find all those additional solutions, okay? What we've done is we've built out streamlined processes. We have our blueprints. We have our digital magazine, Rainstar Capital Group's Ultimate Lending Guide, which highlights all 250 plus of the products. So you can actually go see what the Minimax deal sizes are, interest rates, credit score requirements, etc. We've got the magazine, and finally we have our team of managing directors. Okay, all of our directors typically have 10 to 40 plus years of experience, and so they understand your story. Okay, they understand what you're going through and how it is that you need capital to be able to grow your business. Okay, so I encourage you to reach out to us today, and we'll look forward to serving you soon.